Today's video is on the top 3 best wheelbarrows for landscaping. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Gorilla Carts, utility cart with steel frame. Looking for a reliable and efficient way to carry everything you need without the stress of multiple trips. This utility pull wagon is your new best friend. Designed with a spacious 4 cubic foot capacity, it offers plenty of room to haul all your essentials. Whether you're heading to the beach, tending to your yard, or working on a garden project, this wagon makes transporting your items easier than ever. With this much space, you won't have to worry about leaving things behind or struggling to juggle too many items. Everything fits perfectly, and the journey becomes that much smoother. But that's not all. When it comes to heavy-duty hauling, this wagon is built to carry the weight. With a 600-pound maximum weight capacity, you can load it up with everything from bags of mulch to large garden tools without breaking a sweat. Its bed, measuring 36 inches long by 20 inches wide, ensures you have plenty of space for everything you need to move. This is a real workhorse, perfect for those bigger tasks where you need to carry heavy or bulky items in one go. No more struggling to move everything by hand or making several trips back and forth. The large bed lets you haul it all at once, saving you time and effort. Now, durability is key when it comes to outdoor gear, and this wagon delivers. The solid poly bed is built to resist rust. So whether you're working in the rain or leaving it outside during bad weather, you don't have to worry about deterioration. This means you can rely on it for years to come. The innovative steel frame design doesn't just improve the wagon's strength, but also enhances its maneuverability. Plus, this thoughtful design cuts down on assembly time, meaning you'll be ready to use your new wagon in a snap. When it's time to unload, this wagon makes it quick and easy. Thanks to its patented quick-release dump mechanism, you won't waste time struggling with awkward lifting or unloading. A simple pull and the contents of the wagon are dumped effortlessly, leaving you with more time to get on with your project. Whether you're unloading dirt, gravel, mulch, or firewood, this feature ensures that you're not spending more time unloading than you need to. This all-terrain wagon is designed to be versatile and user-friendly, giving you the flexibility to handle different tasks without hassle. Tap subscribe faster than your wheelbarrow wobbles when it's overloaded. Number 2, best overall. Gorilla Cart's 2-wheel garden wagon. Tired of struggling with heavy loads in your yard or garden? Say goodbye to back-breaking work with this innovative garden cart that makes unloading a breeze. Thanks to its smart 2-wheel design, you can easily dump materials without the hassle of lifting and tipping. The low center of gravity adds extra stability, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over while hauling heavy loads. Whether you're moving soil, mulch, firewood, or tools, this cart is designed to make your outdoor tasks smoother and more efficient. Hate the frustration of complicated assembly? You're in luck. This utility cart is designed for quick and easy setup, so you can get straight to work without fumbling with complicated instructions. Once assembled, maneuvering it is a breeze. The unique push or pull design allows for effortless towing, giving you total control over how you transport your load. Whether you're navigating tight corners, rough terrain, or long paths, this cart moves with you, not against you. No more awkwardly dragging or struggling to turn, just smooth, hassle-free hauling every time. Short on storage space? No worries. This garden cart features a foldable handle, making it easy to store when not in use. Simply fold it down and tuck it away in your garage, shed, or storage space without taking up too much room. If you've ever dealt with bulky tools or equipment cluttering up your space, you'll appreciate how this cart saves valuable storage space while still being ready to go whenever you need it. Convenience and practicality come together in one smart design. Got a big project ahead? No problem. This heavy-duty garden cart boasts an impressive 300-pound capacity, giving you the strength and durability you need for any hauling job. The spacious 30-inch by 24-inch bed provides plenty of room to transport everything from gardening supplies and firewood to bricks and landscaping materials. Built with a sturdy poly tub, this cart is not only tough but also rust resistant and easy to clean. That means it stays in great condition no matter the season, making it a reliable companion for years to come. Looking for quality you can trust? Gorilla carts are designed with strength, performance, and innovation in mind. Whether you're a weekend gardener, a DIY landscaper, or someone tackling big outdoor projects, this cart is built to keep up with your needs. With a reputation for durability and ease of use, you can count on it to handle any job, big or small. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Bilt Hard Poly Garden Dump Cart. Struggling with a wobbly wheelbarrow that's hard to balance and even harder to push? Say goodbye to frustration with this heavy-duty garden cart, designed to make hauling easier and more efficient. With a spacious 36.5-inch by 20-inch poly bed and a strong steel frame, this cart is built to handle even the toughest jobs. It boasts an impressive 600-pound weight capacity, giving you the strength and stability you need for heavy loads. Unlike traditional two-wheel wheelbarrows that tip over easily, this four-wheel design provides better balance, making it a reliable choice for gardening, landscaping, or any heavy lifting around your home. One of the biggest problems with standard carts is dealing with flat tires, but not with this one. Equipped with 10-inch no-flat tires, this cart can tackle any terrain without the worry of punctures, leaks, or constant refilling. Whether you're rolling over gravel, grass, dirt, or pavement, you'll experience smooth and steady movement every time. That means less hassle, no interruptions, and more time to focus on your projects. When it's time to unload, you don't want to waste energy struggling with a stubborn cart. That's why this utility wagon is designed with a quick-release dumping system, making unloading fast and effortless. With a 4 cubic foot capacity, it provides plenty of space for transporting soil, mulch, rocks, firewood, tools, and more. The front handle dumping frame allows for smooth unloading, so you won't have to lift heavy loads manually. Plus, the 180-degree adjustable handle lets you steer with ease, making maneuvering simple, even in tight spaces. Whether you're working on a big landscaping project or a small backyard garden, this cart saves you time and effort. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor equipment, and this garden wagon is built to last. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and the wear and tear of frequent use. That means you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. It's also designed to be easy to clean and maintain, so you can keep it in top shape with minimal effort. Worried about complicated assembly? Don't be. This garden cart comes with simple, straightforward instructions that make setup quick and easy. You'll have it ready to use in no time, so you can get straight to work. Whether you're hauling mulch for your garden, firewood for the winter, or rocks for a landscaping project, this garden cart is designed to make your life easier. With its heavy-duty construction, no flat tires, quick dumping system, and smooth maneuverability, it's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.